Let's go ahead and get our Alienware Aurora R12 today. What is the message? This product cannot be shipped to the state of California, Colorado, Hawaii, Oregon, Vermont, or Washington due to power consumption regulations. What the hell? Yes, you're not seeing it incorrectly. This is really happening. Hi guys, it's me Ryan. Welcome back to another video, and I hope you are doing very well. I think many of you guys may already heard of it or noticed that Dell is canceling all the Alienware gaming PC shipments to several US states. In this video, let's talk about what is going on exactly and why, and what will be happening next, and what we can do to overcome it. And what is really going on here? It says US states ban certain Alienware PC sales because they use too much power. Dell is canceling Alienware gaming PC shipments to several US states. And the story is that for the time being, Dell is no longer shipping certain Alienware Aurora R12 model to half a dozen of US states because those product lines potentially fall out of the bands of newly adopted energy efficiency requirements. They claim that those PCs are using too much energy. And here is what the message states. This product cannot be shipped to the state of California, Colorado, Hawaii, Oregon, Vermont, or Washington due to power consumption regulations. Any order placed that are bound for those states will be cancelled. For the Alienware fans in those states, I'm really sorry for you. And for anyone who live in those states who got an Alienware PC already, congrats. And why this is happening? It's because the power assumption. And they have outlined in a Title 20 appliances regulations document. And if you guys are interested, feel free to read this. For me, it's basically telling me like how much power the computer uses and how much power it should be used and all that. And then those gaming PC, those high-end gaming PC, pass that limit. And that's why the US government wants to limit it, wants to stop us from buying it. And this thing does not just happen recently. This thing can trace back to 2016, where it says California became the first US state to approve energy efficiency standards for PCs and monitors. At the time, it was anticipated that the new standards would save 2.3 billion kilowatt hours of electricity a year. That's a lot. And significantly reduce carbon pollutions and all that. For me, to ban the gaming PC is not an optimal way to save the energy. There's more stuff out there that costs more energy than just the PC gaming. Like those, those mining business, those miners, they have a full warehouses of GPUs. You should go ahead and ban them, or you can go ahead and ban the Bitcoin, those things, not from gaming PC, because there are gamers out there. Okay, like normal person, they just want to play games for fun. But if you're about to ban the gaming PCs, it's like banning the habit from people. What other habits should I have? There are thousands or millions of people who just like playing games, including myself. We work hard, we go home, we just like to sit there and play, 1 or 2 hours of gaming from our PC. And hey, once it got banned, what are we supposed to do? Sitting there reading news? Or perhaps watching Big Fish Gaming's video? And I don't see that's the reason for banning the gaming PC, because it draws too much energy. And I think what's going to happen next is that not just Dell Alienware, it's gonna be happening to every pre-built company like NZXT, like iBuyPower, and all those pre-built companies. They're gonna have this regulation too. Some PCs just can't pass that. It's hard for gamers to buy pre-built, high-end pre-built. You can still buy gaming PC, but they're not gonna be that powerful. For example, right now on the Alienware.com, you can see almost all the builds that have these notes. The product cannot be shipped to these states. The second page, impossible to ship it. But the very lowest one is still a gaming PC, but you just can't do those crazy things. It's not gonna be that high end. You can still get it, but if you want to play like 4K, Ultra, all those crazy stuff, AAA title games on Ultra settings, you can't do that anymore if you're looking for a pre-build. And I think that's what's going to happen next. to all the Prebuild companies, all the high-end Prebuilds, it's gonna be banned. They cannot be shipped to those certain states. And also it will bring up another topic, which is recently the components, I mean the GPU market is going back normally a little bit. Seems pretty good. But if all those Prebuilds is gonna be banned, all those parts is gonna be rising up again. The GPUs, CPUs, RAM, all those high-end parts, components, it's gonna be higher than now, I think. And why? And that's probably our last topic, like what we can do to overcome it. Once we can't get our Prebuild, and I think, in my opinion, I think we can still get those components. Those high-end components, they won't be banned. Okay, I don't think they can be banned. You can still get the GPUs, RTX 3090, 3080 Ti, just build it yourself. But the problem, just like I said earlier, those components, the price of them, it's gonna be sky high since people can't get Prebuild anymore. So everybody is looking for the components, and those price is gonna be higher again. And again, and I don't see why they are banning the Prebuild. I mean the high-end Prebuild gaming PCs. It just doesn't make any sense to me or to all the gamers. And I can't imagine what's it like to buy a Prebuild gaming PC. You'll be like buying fucking cocaine or something, you know, like those black market. Hey, do you have a Prebuild gaming PC like RTX 3090? Yes, I do. Hey, we're to meet, you know, something like that. Meet in the dark, and look out for those FBI's or something. They may come for you if you own a gaming PC with high-end components or something like that. You know, it's crazy. I can't believe it. I never even thought about that. The only time I heard something like that was when I was a kid. My PC game got banned from my father. He banned my PC gaming. He banned my consoles and then my gaming PC. Because I didn't study, so my gaming device got banned. Now the government is doing it. It just seems doesn't make any sense to me. I don't know, man. That's just my opinion. And feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this crazy, you know, regulation or whatever that is. Just let me know what you think. What are some of your thoughts? What are you gonna do if you haven't gotten any GPU and you haven't decided which Prebuild that you're going to get, and now everything crashes? There's no options. Just share your thoughts. Let me know. Let all others know. You know, let's just discuss it. Let's talk about it. And then thank you all for listening all the complaints from me, and thank you for watching. And as always, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out.